How to add HTML code to your GoDaddy website. The first thing that we need to do is load up GoDaddy, then click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. From the products page here, we will scroll down until we see Websites plus Marketing. Click on this drop down menu, so we expand it, and then find your plan and select Manage next to it. So once we have clicked on Manage, it's going to load up a preview of our website here to the side, and we want to click on Edit Website. This will take us to the GoDaddy website builder. So just scroll down, make sure you are on the correct page where we want to add this HTML code. Scroll down until you see the option to add a section, this plus sign here. Click on it. Then we'll use the search bar here to search for HTML. Okay, so we found HTML and we will just add this. Embed custom code on the page. Okay, the code will render here and you can just paste the HTML code right here and it is going to appear without any issues. As you can see, this is custom code that I've already embedded from Canva onto my website. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.